guys, welcome back to BMW Fanatic. I just want to put a huge congratulations to the first two people that guessed closest to my number as far as to win the BMW Bluetooth kit here, so that way you can stream your Bluetooth audio for a very inexpensive price. Now my number was 149. If I go right to my comments on that video, I sort it by like newest to oldest and then scroll all the way down to the very bottom. That gets to the oldest comment that's out there, the closest one to 149, and here you go.
Jack it up.
So I'm going to be reaching out to you personally so that way I can send both of you the Bluetooth audio kit that I've been using for quite some time, and what a lot of other people are using that I've helped recommend this product out. It's an inexpensive price for what it is, but it still is a great product. Now, thanks again for everyone else that participated with it. I was really shocked to see how many comments were down there. I mean, we're close to 400 comments as far as guesses go. That seemed to be very popular, so definitely something simple and something fun that we can do. Now when I come up to the end of the month here, we're definitely going to be doing a new prize giveaway coming into June, so please be sure to stick around for that. And guys, check out my other videos, DIYs, informational videos on the BMW platform. Thanks for stopping in, of course, watching this video and watching all the other ones. Appreciate all the support, and as always, please be sure to subscribe, like this video, and comment below. Take care. Have a great weekend.